We recently did an episode where we showed how to fix a panel glue up by making sure that your fence is 90 degrees and that you mark your tops for an inside face and an outside face, or inside face and an outside face. But I like to keep my joiner a lot closer to this, so we exaggerated how far it was going to be off. So let's take this and loosen it up, and we've got our good square. We just tested it to make sure that it is right on the money for square. And we get down there, we got just a little bit of light showing through at the bottom, so we're going to turn that over. Do it again, just wait until your light goes completely away, and then lock her down nice and gradual. We're good there. We're good there. We come back down here, we're perfectly square there, and we tested our square before that we came over here and did that, but we're right on the money right there. Maybe, yeah, we're good here in the back. We're off by just a fraction up there. So we are plenty good enough on that. I think we'll take that. We'll leave it there. We're right on the money here. We've got just a shadow of light up here, just the slightest little shadow of light coming through there. So we're going to lock her down, call her good enough. We have fixed the joiner. We're still going to do the in and out on every single joint that we put together, just to make sure that if there's any deviation from perfect 90, they're going to countermand each other, and we're going to end up with nice, perfectly flat panels that we did not build a bow into.